Hello everybody, myself Anurag Pathak. So we are doing a session on UPSC Prelims 2022 so that we can find out the source from where these questions were raised. Now we're going to take a geography question, which this question says, which one of the following lakes of the West Africa has become dry and turned into a desert? So we have Lake Victoria, Lake Faguibine, Lake Ogota and Lake Volta. Now out of these four lakes, Lake Victoria falls there in the Central Africa, and some portion is even in the East Africa. So West Africa lies this side. So now we have the three lakes left, which is there in the West Africa. Now, before we go into the detail of these lakes, let us see some in geographical region of the Africa. So this side we have a forest region of Africa, and if the forest, and this side we have rainforest, and hence we have a livelihood present all year round. Now in the top we have the Sahara, which is somehow the largest desert of world, hot desert of the world. Now just above Sahara we have, just above rainforest we have a tropical grassland, savanna. Now between savanna and Sahara, here we have a Sahel region, and this is a Sahel is a climate conflict zone where we have nature is getting deteriorated due to the climate change, and that is why we have a normal case studies you can see related with the people displacement, loss of livelihood, and desertification and deterioration of agricultural land. Now this is where we have Lake Faguibine located in Mali, and this Lake Faguibine is actually fall in that conflicting zone of a Sahel. Now you can see this Lake Faguibine is just above the river Niger. Now unfortunately, because of the dominance of winds from Sahara, these areas are now getting covered due to the sand, and that is why these deserts turning into a desert now. So this is a picture of Lake Faguibine taken from this space. You can see now this lake is losing its territory with the time. Now from where this question got raised, so there was a documentary presented just before United Nations Climate Conference 26 as in a testimony, and it was not so popular. It was there in the documentary form only, and that is why this event and this case study was absent in the newspaper. Now we have another lake, Lake Ogata, which falls in a forest region of Africa, where we have a rain is like every in good amount, and that is why they have a plenty of water. So there is no risk of these lake to getting dried up due to the desert. And there we have a Lake Volta, is located on river Volta. It is a very giant lake, so there also we do not have any immediate threat. So what is the takeaway from this question? You can see now the UPSC started asking question on case studies. Now it means rather than the current affairs, we need to take care of some general awareness also. Now second point is that whenever we are doing in a map work of any region or country, we need to see some conflicting zones, we need to see some threatening portion of that country, some potentials of that country, so that you can get some support in your mains answer writing. So case studies now is very much common in prelims examination. So we're going to do more of the analysis of question in next video. Thank you.